How many of you have been out on a job site, you're laying your pavers up against that fixed edge, and you find out that you're a little too low or much too high? How are you screeding that base or bedding layer up against that fixed edge? You've made up some little gauges using a piece of plywood or a 2x4 to make up that height. As we all know, wood versus concrete doesn't last very long. You're rebuilding those all the time. Your team might be using one that's inaccurate. We have the tools for you. The Maxi gauge and the Quickie gauge, both are gonna increase your efficiencies. First one we're gonna go through is our Quickie gauge. Phil invented this tool to simplify the math on the job site for the team and simplify the process of getting your heights against that fixed edge. You put the heights of your paver into the hourglass on the back using the knobs to unloosen and tighten up to set that height. It's got a base side, a sand side, and this was just before chipstone became a thing. So this is bedding layer, base side. It does all of the math for you. For the base, it takes into consideration the compaction. Also on the sand side, takes into consideration a 1-inch screed rail and your compaction on top of your pavers. Simplifies the task of getting those heights and elevations. Now, at the end of this video, you'll get my opinion on what I think would be best for you. So hold out for that. Next option is going to be the Maxi gauge. Now, with the Maxi gauge, the benefit to this one here is it attaches to the Maxi screed system that we have, which have an 8-foot, 6-foot, 4-foot, and 2-foot screed that come along with them, which is over here on the side. Now, those screeds slide in and allow you to screed up against that fixed edge and go out those increments or distances past. Now, it doesn't do the math for you. You have to figure out and use a tape measure to get the height that you want or desired height that you want, and you adjust it by screwing this knob up and down. In regards to which setup would work best for you, it comes down to your team. Is your team experienced enough to utilize something like this where they can do the math? Or do they need a little bit of guidance on understanding what their heights should be for their base and their bedding layer? Ultimately, that's the difference between the two. I prefer both. They both have their applications. Both of them need to be used on every single job site. That one I would typically use for my base. This one here I would typically use for getting my bedding layer set. I hope you guys found this information useful. If you want more information on these, please click down below. In the description's a link. It'll bring you right to the website. You can purchase it there. Otherwise, go to the dealer locator, find a local dealer where you can buy this equipment, see it firsthand. And if you want to get off your hands and knees from screeding, check out the video on the screen. Thanks again for watching.
You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.